Authenticity is the people. I mean, we couldn't do it without the people. So, I first and foremost, my dad is a visionary. This is his business. He is the reason we're here, and a lot of answer prayers. So we feel God's really blessed us, but He's also blessed with a great team of people. And I could rattle off Bobby and Mark, and I could go on for hours about our people. We have hundreds of people around the globe that work with us. I tell you that, and it really comes down to the quality of the person. So when we're bringing people in, we want to very clearly share what our culture is. We do care about people. We want to make sure, and this is my dad. He said that we want to make Dansons the best place anyone's ever worked. And are we 100% successful? No, because people have different goals and aspirations and needs. But at the same time, while they're here, we want to know that they need to know that they're cared for and they're valued. And that's extremely important to us. If there's things that happen in life, we want to be extremely flexible. It's not just about a job. It's what we do, a lot of us, for a good chunk of each of our days. But at the same time, if you enjoy going to where you're doing that work, that's our responsibility to provide an atmosphere that they feel cared for and loved. And that doesn't matter what their background is or what their experience or what their, anything to us. We just want to make this the best place they've ever worked. And that really, it flows from the very top, from my dad all the way down through our teams. Our key people, they share that caring for people, and we want them to make sure that when life gets messy, that that's just, we're here to help you and support you, and that works out well. Investing in people is how we've been able to grow the business, and we certainly couldn't do it without phenomenal teams.